Ciao a tutti, io sono Gianni Carbonara. Today we are going to be making a pizza margherita. La pizza è nata in Napoli in Italia. So the pizza originally originated in Napoli in Italy. It came out hundreds of years ago. Back then it wasn't really known as La Pizza Margherita. It was just a flatbread that factory workers would take to work with some toppings on it, and they would pull it up and eat it for lunch. And that's how the traditional method of eating it with the personal pizza you fold and eat came to be today. La pizza was originally made, and it was la più famosa di tutti era la pizzeria Margherita. The most famous of them all was the pizza Margherita. This pizza was made after Dalla Reina Margherita, the Queen Margherita, and it was made while she was reigning in Savoy in 1889. A Napolitano chef created it to honor her, using the tomatoes for the red, mozzarella cheese for the white, and basil for the green of I tricolori, the tricolor Italian flag, green, white, red. Pizza is now available almost everywhere, from Italy to North America, like Asia. Almost everywhere has some version of pizza because of this great creation. And it comes from late night takeout to a cozy family dinner, and it's best enjoyed hot, straight from the oven, and eaten by hands with friends, and conversation involved, obviously. It's so loved in Italy because it represents simplicity, tradition, and pride in local ingredients. Today, we'll be bringing that tradition home, and let's make an authentic pizza margherita together.
Next, the first step you can see after you prepare all the ingredients is to appiattire l'impasto. Roll out the dough, flatten it out. Normally, people would use a rolling pin. That's more of a North American thing to do. But back in Italy, everybody just uses their hands for everything. So as you can see, I'm trying to replicate like a real Italian pizza chef by using my actual hands. And they do like some forearm flip that I tried doing one time for one of the previous pizzas I made, because I ended up making 4 in this video, and it like completely destroyed the dough. So like I do struggle a little bit, but actually you can see right there in the dough that it's almost gonna tear, but I end up saving it, and we can continue on to the next step.
I think you should do the focus on the edges. Yeah, go ahead. Let Nonna help you.
So that was my mom there talking. My nonna ends up coming over to help because she's like seeing I'm struggling, and then let's see what she does.
E la mozzarella. E non! Non! Che bella mano. Quante pizze si è fatta, non? Che le mani proprio da Avellino, Gesualdo, Italia.
I decided to keep my mom's rambling in throughout the video because I thought it was pretty funny. But right there, she's basically saying how my grandmother she's making lots of pizzas. She's made lots of pizzas in the past, and she learned most of what she learned from Gesualdo Avellino in Italy, which is where she grew up. Funnily enough, she doesn't do the arm flip either. She actually makes it more like how you would make a focaccia, where you put the bubbles in the dough.
That we made. Saborita. Even those, see that nice basil is a little bit
That's
dark?
a good shape.
That's right from the garden that was in the fridge. Freezer, ma? Was it? Fridge.
Okay, enough.
Okay.
Bravissimo. Ferma.
Swag.
There we go. Now we'll start with the next one.
As you can see here, I'm going to add the sauce on this one soon. The one that I made before, that my nana actually made, I ended up putting the sauce on a little bit too early, and my mom recorded it vertically, so I had to redo it.
There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, bellissimo.
Where's the cheese now?
Un formaggio. Un formaggio. Yeah.
Make it pretty.
1, 2, contiamo, 3, 4, natura.
One more?
Yeah.
Tiny.
Ah, quanto è bello.
And then the next step after you put your sauce on is to put on your mozzarella. You could put really any other toppings you would like, but for margherita pizza, as I said in the beginning of the video, it's just mozzarella, salsa, and basil. And yeah, in The other two other pizzas you'll see near the end of the video, I end up putting the mozzarella, the sauce, basil, and I put pepperoni too, or some salami I cut.
We'll do first here, and then we'll do after there. No, after you have to cook it. No?
My work does it raw.
Yeah, a lot of people do
Yeah.
it raw. They don't do it.
Okay.
Do one cooked, one raw.
You could do it either way, honestly.
So like you heard in the video, some people do put the basil on after, and some people prefer it to be cooked too. I personally prefer it on after, because when you cook it, it gets all soggy and like baked into the pizza. Whereas when you put it after, it stays nice and hard, and like it feels like you're actually eating more of an herb than just an ingredient. And now we can finally put the pizza with the homemade dough into the oven. And make sure non bruciarlo. Don't burn it. These are the two pepperoni completed pizzas.
Saporita. Che bella pizza, che bella pizza. Che bella pizza. Guarda, guarda. Bravo. There you go. Beautiful. A little bit of basil.
Yes. Salud.
Salute. A mangiare. Tutta a tavola a mangiare.
Andiamo. mangiare.
Andiamo.
And that is how you can make a pizza. As you can see here, I'm enjoying the pizza and it was very delicioso. Thank you for watching.